Hello, friends! Boston has a mystery box. What is hiding inside? Listen to the clues, think carefully, then make your guess. Ready?
Yeah!
Let's play! What's inside? What could it be? Look very closely, guess with me. Think, 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 take your time. 3, 2, 1, let's find out. What's inside the box? Here is clue number 1. It is a fruit. It is yellow. Monkeys love to eat it. What could it be? Think about it. 3, 2, 1. Banana! It's a banana. Yellow banana. Great guessing. What's inside? What could it be? Listen to the clues and guess with me. Here comes another box. What's inside? Clue number 1. It has wheels. It goes on the road. Vroom, vroom. What could it be? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. Car! It's a car. 4 little wheels. Great job. What's inside this time? Listen closely. It is an animal. It is very big. It has a long trunk. Do you know it? Think. 3, 2, 1. Elephant! It's an elephant! Big elephant! Well done! What's inside? What could it be? Look very closely, guess with me. Think, 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 take your time. 3, 2, 1, let's find out. What's inside the box? Here is your first clue. It is round. You can throw it, you can bounce it. Bounce, bounce. What could it be? 3, 2, 1. Ball! It's a ball! Round and bouncy. Good guessing. Another mystery. What is hiding inside? It is an animal. It is green. It can jump. Hop, hop. What could it be? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. Frog! It's a frog! Jump, little frog! Great job! What's inside this box? Listen to the clues. It is soft. You can hug it. You can cuddle it at bedtime. What could it be? 3, 2, 1. Teddy bear! It's a teddy bear! Soft and cuddly. Well done! What's inside? What could it be? Listen very carefully. Guess with me. Think, think, think. Take your time. 3, 2, 1. Let's find out. What's inside? Clue number 1. It is a fruit. It can be red. It grows on a tree. Crunch, crunch. What could it be? 3, 2, 1. Apple! It's an apple. A yummy red apple. Great guessing. Here comes another one. What's inside the box? It has wings. It is very big. It flies high in the sky. Whoosh. What could it be? Think about it. 3, 2, 1. Airplane! It's an airplane! Up in the sky! Fantastic! What is hiding now? Listen carefully. It is an animal. It has feathers. It says quack, quack. What could it be? 3, 2, 1. Duck! It's a duck! Quack, quack, duck! Great job! One last mystery box. Are you ready? Here is clue number 1. It is sweet. It has candles. We see it on birthdays. What could it be? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. Birthday cake! It's a birthday cake! Hooray! You got it! What's inside? Now we know. Re-listen to the clues nice and slow. Banana, car, elephant, bowl, frog, teddy bear, apple, airplane, duck, birthday cake. You listened, you thought, you guessed. Great job! Thanks for playing with Boston. See you next time in Boston's World.
Like the video. Subscribe to Boston's World.